hukum ke jingujor naga National Green Tribunal NGT doma kru el parian uwe ni ginong song jong ka sorjowai but upadei president ka ko ya kawa mentedu halor ke jingsha penjulor jong kawa mentedu naga jingbentre surang naga liang ke joint committee bala hukum naga NGT principal bench katkum ka OA number 1271 2024 dated South Rain benai ba ar punrio kania ka kenhun minta ka sengi apply terek urempang punrio ka blastang manit Jurip yakwa mentudu nadu ka por kat wasting minstem lasdang manit Jurip nadu ki benta jong tershi fall ki benta jong ka liar kam ka badang penshan ka jingking ki hali ha penthor nyen ki basyakta ha jingking pambla ki benta kawa menkeram ha jingking tri yong riang bat ha ka jaka bano ya ka kendo henry hangni ka joint committee kam shim yo I ya ka jingbu ka kendo bat ka babu hi ka kendo la brat pathar shaki benta kawa mentru ka joint committee la sakhiru ya ka kamti bat the pathar ya ka kendo shaki benta kawa mentru na ka jingpentre surang juwai bypass ha ka ba la batha yo kontraktor bat ka tanat PWD ba kin penlum penlang ya ka te ka kendo bala the bean bat ban kier ya ki kenro ban lan na ka jingtua kendo ya ka ni ka jinglet Jurip la khat pelong lengba ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board a ringkat ka jingdan lang nodal officer ubadeiru member secretary ke MSPCB Dr. GH Charmang MFS ER Abhay Kumar CWES General Secretary Brahmaputra Board ka CO Jawai Municipal Board ka kong DV Lingdo MCS nong ujor ma Kro El Parian ki officer nakatanat PWD Water Resources ka construction company bat ki beide nakaliang Dr. GH Sharmang ulaong ya kani ka kam ka blahap hapo ka SUO moto case bala ujor da uma Kro El Parian kumtala batha da ka NGT banthong ya ka joint committee ka bakin thop na ki department ba prepare nado ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Ministry of Jal Shakti PWD PHE bat JMB da ka bakhat lang bat unong ujor ula pentep bakani ka committee kan pet yaki kam bala dep le namar ka jingshong bishar ka NGT yakani ka case kan long hak hatway terek ulber arja punriu ulo ong kin salum jingtim shushu yaki jingja ban wan na ka benta ban a yaka report shaka NGT
get judicial intervention. So I would like to have the clarification from the petitioner.
So now, see, this is the major tributary. So we are talking.
He is saying it's a tributary. You are saying no water is there.
No, this is it's a major tributary.
I think it should be because the depth of this is also.
It's yeah, 2022 through this.
What water is not flowing from here? Water is flowing.
Huh?
Water is
So if you could prove it, please. This is of So you have to prove there's no water here. And from right before you
like
do
from
the
the runoff only.
No.
No river. So
No, you have to
this
prove.
So your point is that it is to be a river.
It's
The
a
major
yeah,
tributary
major
of Myntu.
The name is Hiar Pump.
So how much catchment it drains basically?
Hiar Pump. Hiar Pump.
Okay, name of this.
Hiar Pump.
Hiar Pump.
After this, we will go back and then
You will see.
find this particular.
No, suppose it
So-
is a river. Okay, मान लेते हैं.
This is the
Yo pinne wani chini hajuai hakawo wani inspection ni sentia dia ka wa Myntu. Kini am ka ketika to ko somo to case o file do ma krulam selang kipariat dia to ko wa Myntu. Kini to ko ini ka original application 1271/24. Ko order dated to sotarik benawar arhajar arkonru. Tahaka para ko khadwi yang ni order the direct NGT will form a joint committee to inspect. Haga joint committee the am representative the Department of Health na pollution board na Ministry Jal Shakti am na PWD na PHE municipal board amta the direct lai wo to hipor wa la inspection ni yo khut lang go petitioner wa manu ma paret tade am lang unni the khut lang ya representative yang gi construction company ke wakra yo tu surok te newaro ada am langi kat kam ke direction ke NGT to the line inspect gi kam yo ipinde na do na bypass thame hadu hindi pun kot di ne ta kata jumut iwa ka next hearing wo am ga khatbi tarik yang u banai wa wan banai mas te kini committee ke duty yang ka to u pej ke gi ka ma de ble wo pung ko contractor ha men swada am ga case wa to ye gani ko wa R1 ke gi daw le ki por ga dawan the pollution board the thung igam nodal department tanga mana kamu members secretary pollution dan mana nodal officer atau oversee kini compliance ti daw file report ang hachwa wa kwa kata di hearing ti gon gitu kikam go to ole wo pungko daw i suggestion ni lene ko jingmut NGT na committee yang